Hello and welcome all to the COVID vaccine spiritual detox. It's going to be a very unique day. So it's myself, Marilyn, Devonish, the wonderful Kate Sterling. Hi, Kate. How are you?
I'm fantastic, Marilyn. Thank you.
I'm looking forward to this. It's been challenging to put it into words because it's like, I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. I don't know about you, but I most certainly haven't.
No, we're talking in the last probably 9 months is when I've really seen it. And this year, very heavily. When we started to talk about the affect of the swarm and experiencing that, I started to experience that this year earlier. Not myself personally, but I mean, with people that I'm working with calling me, Kate, there's something wrong. That's not like anything I've ever experienced, that kind of thing. So it's really unique to talk about it. And then to set up a training, what's a protocol on how do you prepare that? We've had fun kind of going back and forth and figuring out how can we synchronize everything that we know or, sync it down.
Absolutely. So let us get started. Hello and welcome to you also hello, we've got people in the chat. Hi, yeah. Lovely to see you all, people. Good afternoon. Hello, hi. Lovely to have you all here. So I see the majority of you have found the chat. So we'll just do a very quick sort of intro to get the ball rolling, and then we will go from there. So here we go. Any second now. Right. So, as I said, it's the COVID vaccine spiritual detox workshop. Overall purpose today is, from my perspective, to break down the situation, because Kate and I are coming in. It's almost like the yin and the yang. Kate is going to be sharing what she's been seeing with her clients. I'm going to be sharing what actually happened to me and started happening to me in 2022. So we're going to break down both of those situations, pinpoint some of the key aspects and key distinctions between what we've been seeing, and then my intention and hope and purpose is that we shorten the timeline for anyone who's been going through anything like this, and also provide you with some things that will support your health, your well-being, and that's your physical health and well-being, and also the spiritual side of what you're doing. So just very quickly, I think everyone has found the chat. So where you can see everyone saying hello, good afternoon, hi, that is the public chat. And next to it, if you look at Q&A is the private one. So if you use the Q&A, no one else can see it, just I can see it. And I've also set it up that you can also do that anonymously if you didn't want anyone or even me to know who's asking what and who's saying what. So that's how you do the chat. This is being recorded. I've disabled the cameras for this particular one, because it's such a sensitive subject, and I didn't want anyone inadvertently putting their camera on, because what happens is you become part of the feed. There's no way for me to take that out. And I've had one situation years ago where somebody went, I don't want to be in the recording, even though I explained it all beforehand. And then I couldn't use any of it because they were sitting there the whole time. So I've disabled the cameras for now. So it will be the chat or the Q&A is where you do that. Disclaimer.